this love I know. Lord, break every limitation that has been placed on my life. Whether by fear, doubt, and mistake, or the schemes of the enemy, just try to hold me back, crumble before your mind. See the possibility in you and the destiny you have prepared for me. I will say, you are no Christ with strength. And Father, let this truth arise in my spirit, boldness to move me on every restriction. When my strength is, let your power begin. Let every possible situation bow to your Lord, you live in this love I know. Move every mental, spiritual, and emotional block that hinders my progress. Tear down walls built by discouragement, fear, or the words of those who sought to limit me. Let every chain that has held my dream.
Okay, the navigating between the screens take a little bit
Okay,
of doing.
I think, yes. I think we can start because it's a Zoom meeting and the Zoom, you can only record for up to 40 minutes. Good evening, good evening, good evening. I am so excited because this is a newborn baby for me. This was spoken to me. But before I start there, oh my goodness, I just want to say for anyone on here, because I can't see anyone here, that this community was born out of Isaiah 61, verse 3, to console those who mourn, to give them beauty for ashes, the oil of joy mourning, the garment of praise for the spirit of heaviness, that they may call trees of righteousness, the planting of the Lord, that he may be glorified. And that is exactly every one of us might went through things. That is why we're here tonight. And I am excited. Through COVID, God spoke to me about starting a women's ministry. I was that time so deep in my own things that I didn't even understand the word. I thought by myself, how can you give me such a not an opportunity, such a task that I needed that time. So here I am 6 years later, and this is it. I felt in my heart that this is the right time, the right place to reach people globally. So tonight is not about perfection. We are not perfect. That is why we're here. We are here to make memories. We pray together. We cry together. We just share because life is heavy enough. Life is like everyone is carrying their own pressure. And for us as moms, as women, we are maybe the chosen one that carry everything. But we are here and we're going to make memories and we're going to rebuild each other by God's grace. So I'm not going to talk too much. I just want to share my story quickly. I've been in the corporate for many years, 25 years. I am an HR professional. I've missed so many moments with my kids. I've missed so many firsts of them. But I have to work, and I thought I'm a very good mom that can put food on the table. That was my thoughts, because the way I grew up was like, get good grades, go to school, get a job, and work yourself into exhaustion for the next 20 or 30 years. Never did I knew that COVID will happen, and I've lost almost everything. I lived off handouts from total strangers. I found myself in a very dark spot, but never did I also knew that God was busy rewriting my story. I didn't understand it that way because I always served God. I always put him first. I always was there for him, and I felt he dropped me. that time. I was blaming the circumstances. I was blaming the government. I was blaming so many people around me until I realized nothing changes if I don't make the change. I've discovered, or I was introduced to digital and affiliate marketing, and that is where my online journey started. But tonight, I don't want to talk about making money online or this or that. I just want to say welcome here. Welcome to the best seat in the house. You better buckle up, buttercup, because the best is yet to come. So me and Leandri come a long way from Oranje Mond, and we've decided we had that feeling in our heart to start a community. And when we spoke about it, we thought maybe we must join hands and do it together. And that is why we are here tonight. So I'm going to give her a chance to share a story, to introduce herself, and then we take it from there. The floor is yours, my girl.
Thank you, Leonie. I'm equally excited. I definitely believe this is an opportunity to make a difference and just to take the women along with us. So I've been following Leonie for a while. We've always remained friends on Facebook, even after I left Oranje Mond, and she also went to Swakopmund, and somehow in a way we stayed connected. But it was last year, when I saw particular post about what she was posting that actually caught my attention. This is also 2 years post my divorce. I am still in corporate, also HR professional. That's where we come from, myself and Leonie. But the circumstances was just of such where I realized I need help, I need support, I don't think I can do this alone. And I prayed a lot.
You're freezing.
Am I freezing? Am I better now? Still freezing? Can you hear me? Oh, it's actually. Can you hear me, Leonie? Am I audible?
We can hear you. I can hear you, but you were breaking up.
Okay.
But I don't know if it's my side. No, you are great. Go for it, go.
I think it was my side. There was a
You
call
got
coming.
this.
Okay. Yeah, so what I wanted to say, so I actually went through a divorce about 2 years ago, single mom now, and life just changed. And I realized it's actually not necessarily a season change. This is climate change. Like, this is the new normal. And I need to, get myself together and make a change. So Leonie and I started talking. We saw some opportunities, and we realized, you know what, together we can probably be even a stronger force. From my side, similarly, highly motivated by Christ in terms of what He laid on my heart. I believe that the story that I have and that the journey that I walked, I can make a difference. So if you've been on our community, you would have seen already something that I launched. I realized that I can use that part of my life to make a difference, and that is why we're here. And we're equally excited to see how much more beautiful this will become. Okay. All right. So Leonie, you say
Thank you, Leandri. Thank you so much.
Yes. You say you can't see you can't see our attendees, but we've got Anita here now, and we've got Frioni. So maybe Anita and Frioni, if you can just quickly in the chat tell us where you're dialing in from. I think you're both in Namibia, if I'm not mistaken. You can maybe just put in the chat where in Namibia.
I'm from Swakop.
Okay.
They both from Swakop.
Okay.
Yes. It's coast to coast.
Awesome.
Coast to coast, my darling. We are coast to coast. Yes. I just want to share something for you. This is not just a community. This is not just another group. Oh my goodness, I've joined so many communities. What am I going to share with you? What is the difference between the other communities in this? This is a space for us to heal, to rebuild each other. We're not going to fight with each other. We're going to be kind. We're going to heal each other by sharing our stories, by giving advice that you are going through. Or it doesn't even have to be emotional. so many times we struggle. Maybe I've read something in one of the Facebook groups that one lady was like struggling with diapers or something like that. And and I see the comments was just blowing up. This one is giving advice and this one is, but this is why we are here. We are rebuilding. We are building confidence. We are learning from each other and we're learning to each other. And we create income opportunities. That is why the world is going crazy. I've read the newspapers today. Oh my goodness. The fuel is going up again in South Africa. They will announce apparently tomorrow in Namibia, but it's going up again. We don't know where this world is going. That is why it's so important for us not to get caught with our pants on the floor. We are going to grow together as human beings, as sisters, because when you join Rebuild, by grace, you rise, we rise together. We become family, we become sisters. And that is it. We are not here to stay stuck and stay in survival mode. That is not why we are here. This is why we created this space for each and everyone that want to come in. And you are more than welcome to invite more people here. If you think this community will give you some value. This is where you can be yourself. Invite more people here. That is what we want. My goal, my personal goal is by the end of this month, and help me, guys. I need your assistance. I want at least 50 people in this. I know it's big. You might think, oh my goodness, she's insane, but I'm not. I'm dreaming big for this community because this community was laid on my heart by God. And I know together we can make a difference. I cannot do it alone. I can steward this thing, but I need you. I need you to hold my hand up high. I need you that we can reach more people. We reach more women. And it's not just for women. There is so many men that is going through stuff that they're not talking about. But my heart is for moms. My heart is for women. And there is so many people that is carrying the burden. So many moms out there that carrying everything alone. I've spoke to someone the other day. She said the older people are no longer there that she can share her heart with, that she can pray together. Here we can pray together. We can make a mean team. We can stand strong because the Bible said where two and three gather in my name, I will be there. And I believe God is with us tonight. And it's not about a God thing or I don't want to preach, but I am excited for this journey. I'm really, really excited. Okay, and we are going to announce whether we are one or two or three or four in this house tonight. We are going to announce 10 founding members that we will announce tonight, and we will put it in the community. So yes, that is what we're going to do. I want you to go explore what is in our classroom, what is there, what you can benefit from, because we are putting things together for all of us. Leandre, I don't know. I'm excited. I prepared something, but my head is just running around. So I'm not even touching base on what I've prepared for because I speak from my heart. I want us to be one. So if you want to say something, I got sometimes verbal diarrhea and then I'll talk and talk and talk. And then that is it. So guys, anyone that want to say something, you want to say something, you can add more. That is just me.
Okay. Now, Leonie, I think in terms of what we've got planned, I think up next would be for us to do the members or the founding members. I can just acknowledge Julianne also joined us now. So welcome, Julianne.
And just stop there for a moment. Julianne is my bestie. I'm so welcome. She's all the way from America. Just give her a hand of applause. Hello, my darling. How are you? I'm so proud of you for joining us tonight. I cannot see who is joining, but if she's
Something
here, let's
happened.
just
She
say
dropped.
hello to
It
her.
looked like she dropped off.
Oh, okay.
Something
Yeah,
might have
but she's
happened.
from America. Yes.
Oh.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So let me,
Verbal
shall
diary.
I share my screen and then we quickly do that? So we actually have a different way in which we're going to do it. We decided we're going to do a draw. So what I will be doing is to spin a wheel in which we will the way in which we will do that draw. So let me quickly just share my screen. Okay.
And while you're calling out the names, I will just write it down here.
Okay. That would be nice. I actually took out my book. Okay, so Leonie, you can see the screen.
Yes, I can see.
Okay. Awesome. Here we go. So we've got 10 people. We are about 17, 18. Oh no, what is this doing? Okay. Oh, sorry, guys. Technology. Somehow it did not update it. We don't have. Oh no,
Did not
man.
update the names.
I'm sorry. It updated, but it's like it recorded. Let me just check what is happening here. Like
Okay,
Leon said,
while you're checking,
let me quickly check what is happening there. Just a minute. I will quickly
okay.
let me unshare quickly, and then I can quickly just try and sort that out.
Okay, while she's busy sorting it out, anyone in the in this room tonight, I cannot see who are here. Do you want to raise your hand, ask a question, and what do you want? Let me ask the question. What do you expect inside this community? I know there was questions when you joined, but what do you expect from us? Because that will help us to create the best thing ever. So anyone that wanna take the floor and share a little bit. Why are you here? Are you excited? Or am I the only one that is excited for this journey? Let's have a conversation. I love to have conversations. And you don't even have to put your camera on. It's okay. So anyone that wanna go first? Nobody. Oh my goodness. Nobody wants to go first. Anyone that want to share why you're here, you can even put it in the comments. I believe I will be able to see in the chats. Oh, there's only welcome, Julianne. I can see the chats, but I can't see how many people are in here, and I can't see who is it. So if there's anyone that want to share something,
It's still just
or
Brioni and Anita.
okay.
It's still just the two of them.
So Julianne,
Leonie.
okay.
I'm
Is it
so
not
sorry.
working?
I think I'm also panicking, which obviously doesn't help us now.
No, don't panic, my darling. Don't panic. But will you be able to do it, or must we just do it the old way
I
in
think we must
writing down
maybe
the
just,
name?
it's not sad. I really wanted us to do it this way, but for some reason, yeah, it's like
It's not updating, or
it's not,
what?
yeah, it's adding spaces that looks like there's more people in it, which it's not. And that is now my.
But you can't just spin it, and even where the blank spaces is, we spin again, or you
Okay,
will not be able to do it that way.
we can. Shall we do
Yeah,
that?
let's try that way.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
let me
That I can just type
let
the
me.
names down. I see Julianne have sent me a WhatsApp now,
Okay,
but I will listen later, a voice note. Okay.
now.
You can share your screen that we can.
Okay. I'm sharing it now. Okay, so the first up is Anita, and she's here.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I will.
So I'm gonna remove
Okay.
her.
Spin like we can see you're not cheating.
Oh, yeah, I am sharing, right?
Okay, yes, we can see. We just
Okay.
can't see the names. Okay.
Okay, this one is another
A
ghost.
blankie. Okay. You don't need the ghosts here.
Oh, come on. This is now just Murphy's
Okay, while
Law.
you're spinning. Okay, another one. While you're spinning, I just want to share something with you. When we spoke today, me and Leandre, we said to each other, God, let there at least be 15 people in our community when that allows us to do the spin correctly. And we are 17. God added 2 more. It's always good to pray. But
Yes,
yes, another ghost.
another ghost.
It's okay. Anita, looks like you will be the only one. What a plus.
Looks like it. I can't believe it. This is like,
It's okay. We have some time.
okay, we've got Lizelle van Sale.
Oh, yes, Lizelle. Okay.
Almost on Freoni, almost.
Oh, another ghost.
I'm removing them as they.
Okay, as you spin.
I'm so sorry, ladies.
No worries. We have patience.
This is not technology at its best.
It's okay. We must just get
Oh,
them. Make
wow.
sure
And
we get.
another Anita, she works with me. Anita
Oh,
April,
okay, April. Yes.
she works with me. So we've got both the Anitas.
Looks like Anita's the famous part for tonight. Miranda. And the surname? Or you don't know? It's fine.
I was so quick.
No worries. We can go check. I hope there's not 2 Mirandas.
Okay, it actually landed on her now again, so it's fine. What is it? Maroon. Okay.
Okay. Is it Marundu?
Something like that.
Okay.
Okay. Juanita, I know her very well. She's also in DMAs. Juanita Moelman.
Yes.
It's a picky. Thank you. Chantel Foster.
Chantel. Yes. Chantel. Okay.
Okay, there is a ghost.
Three to go.
Okay, we're almost there.
No worries.
Precious Tonga.
Okay,
I think she might
Precious.
be
Yes.
one of my leads. I'm not too sure, but I think so.
She's from Nigeria.
Is it?
Mm.
Okay, now we shouldn't have any more ghosts. Roberta Seshi.
Okay. She's from Uganda.
Oh, wow. We are global.
Yes, we are.
Awesome. Dalian Labeskagni.
Don't know, huh?
Okay, me too. But
okay, the last one.
Happy to have her here. Janine de Klerk.
Oh, she's all the way from South Africa.
Okay, so you've got 10.
Yes, I got 10, Janine de Klerk.
Okay.
Oh, I'm excited. Come, just give a hand of applause to the 10 ladies in the house. We will announce it in the post tomorrow with the recording so that they can see it was proper way done and that they can see that they are just the best. They're not lucky, they're blessed because I don't believe in luck.
Oh,
I
yeah.
believe you are a blessing. So yes, I'm excited. Is there any questions? We still have 10 minutes left. Then you can ask any questions. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask now. If you have any questions, listen here. Next time, it's not going to be so slow. When I ask the question, when you join this group, I ask, will you be participating in this group? And everyone so far said yes.
Definitely.
So I don't know what you mean by participating. I mean, my girls, you have to talk. We have to participate. That's the only way you move up the leaderboard. That's the only way you can unlock certain things, because there's certain things that we have in our classroom that can only be unlocked at a certain stage. So if you are not communicating, if you're not even greeting people in the morning, or just commenting on someone's post, or just show some love, you will not move up. And then you didn't, and then you were lying about the question number 3. Because question number 3, there was a reason why we had that question, because we want you to participate. We want you to, and even those, Anita, you are here, so you are one of the founding members. You have to make your voice heard in this community. You are here not for a season, you are here for a reason. And that is it. Because God is going to move in this place. I'm telling you. I'm telling you guys, I know exactly. I know what I want for this community. Me and Leandri will, and it is a double L. L for love. I only see now we both have L. Love, guys,
Yes,
love.
definitely.
That is it. So yes, if there's no questions, Leandri, do you want to add anything?
Maybe I only wanted to say exactly what you were saying about the fact that as much, the more you engage, the more you move up our leaderboard, the more you become eligible for courses and information, access to resources. But I also wanted to maybe just mention that we are working on a 7-day challenge that is coming, as well as Mondays with her, which would be with Leonie, and then a midweek recharge with me on a Wednesday. So on our calendar, look out for that. Join us for those conversations. Like Leonie said, it's for us to grow as a community, to support each other, and to build each other.
Okay, I just want to touch base on the 7-day challenge. We know exactly what we want to do, but this is not what we need. This community is not built for me and Leandre. It's for you. You have to tell us inside the community, what do you want from us? I know exactly what I want, but this community, I didn't start for me. I didn't start it for Leandre. Leandre need maybe something else, but we together, we want to serve you. We want to really serve you. And if you are not communicating with us inside the community, please note this is a safe space. Tell us what you want. And that is where we want to build our 7-day challenge, because of things that you are telling us. I cannot do things that I want to do because I need it right now. No, it's not about me. It's about you. And that is what I wanted to say. So guys, let's make memories in this community. You must remember one thing: social media doesn't belong to us. But this community, we can claim ownership because it's our community. We know who we allow in here. We know what we want in here. So I just wanna tell you, don't sit back. You cannot grow if you don't tell me what you want from me. You cannot grow if you don't participate. We grow together. I don't know anything. So if I can learn from you, it will be a mwah for me. If you can learn from me, it will be a go for you. That is the thing. I want us to grow together. It's not about me. It's not about Leandre. It's about us as a community. That is why it's called community. And that is why it's called rebuild and rise. We're not just going to rebuild each other and not rising. We're going to rise from the ashes, because we're going to take away that garment of heaviness and we're going to start praising. We're going to be gratitude. We're going to be grateful for everything that we have in our lives. That is it. Even if we don't have everything together, even if we don't are where we are, the moment we start, because you must remember one thing: our brains just tell us to survive. This brain just is in survival mode. But the more you tell your brain, I am successful, I am the best version what the world ever see, I am going to make it in the online space, or I am going to make it what God say, I am who I am. I am who God say I am. That is it. And you keep on telling, you repeat yourself and say, this is who I am. I'm not I'm not determined by what happened in the past. I am the best version that the world have ever seen.
Mm.
I am the best of the best of the best. I want you to start exercising self-talk. The other day we had a community chat, a community meeting, and one of the ladies said, to look herself in the mirror every morning and say, hey, you're sexy thing. And that is the thing that I want. You have to talk you through this thing because we are meant for more. God said in his word, I want a life for you, and not just a life of abundance. And in abundance is not just monetary value. It's abundance in love, in kindness, in friendship, in rebuilding each other. That is the reason why I have created, or not, let me not say we have created this community for you. And sometimes you can tell me, Leonie, you are wrong now. Sometimes I have verbal diarrhea because I'm getting so excited because I know where God is going to take us. Rebuild and rise. That is my word for you today. Have a beautiful day. Leandri, you want to say something?
Nothing else. I think that's exactly it. We had Kim and Julianne also jumping on, and I think you were thrown off at some point as well. But very grateful to have you here. We had Freoni and Anita. So thank you so much, ladies, for making this time. And like Leonie said, we will be making this recording available. But this really is just the start of more amazing conversations and building together to to just walk this journey together. All good from my side, Leonie.
Welcome, Kim, and welcome, Julianne. Oh my goodness. Yes, welcome here, the best space ever. The best seat in the house. Buckle up, buttercups, because the best is yet to come. Have a beautiful evening or morning, wherever you find yourself. Julianne, just for interest's sake, what time is it now by you? Just for curiosity, you know how I am. I just want to know. So
Right
what time
now
is it there?
it's 11:35 a.m.
Oh, okay.
Oh, 11:55. In
Yeah.
the morning, yes, AM. Okay. We are
Yes.
going to book and you are getting up now. How amazing is this to connect? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, me and Julianne, let me just share a bit about us. We are accountability partners, and we've been sharing some thoughts. And yes, I didn't see her for a very long time, but welcome here, my friend. Welcome,
Yes.
welcome, welcome.
I
And
just
she
sent
have a
a
lot
message
of
in our
people.
group.
Is it? Okay. I will check it now. But yes, guys, have a beautiful, Julianne, a beautiful day.
You
And
too.
the other, a beautiful evening. We will connect again. Please check out for the calendar. Please join, invite more people. We're going to make an amazing team here. It's not about me and Leandre. It's about you. I want to know because we want to start the 7-day challenge, but we want to know, what do you want from us? What can we teach each other? Not me teaching, we teach each other. Have a beautiful day, guys. And I love you because God loves you more.
Thank you,
Bye.
Leonie. Thank you, ladies. Bye.